Algebra 2. This is the problem I told you we would finish up on a video. So I'm looking at our notes from today. This is note set 7, the very last problem. And in class, we went ahead and labeled the transformations. And so you told me a reflection over the y, horizontal compression by 1/2, right 1, reflection over the x, vertical stretch by 2, and down 1. So I'm going to first take the point -6, -4 from the parent function. And I'm just going to go down this list. So I need to, I'm going to multiply the x by -1/2, and that takes care of both the reflection and the compression. So my x value right now is -6. -6 times -1/2 is a +3, and then write 1. Multiply my y by -2. Right now that y value is at -4. -4 times 2 is +8. And then down 1. So that new point is 3, 7. Okay, let's take -2, 1. Multiply that x by -1/2 becomes +1. Then write 1. Multiply y by -2. So the y value is 1. 1 times -2 is -2. And then down 1. I'm getting the point to -3 there. Now let's take 2, 4. Multiply the x by -1/2, so it's 2 times -1/2 is -1. Then write 1. Multiply that y value by -2. The y is 4. 4 times -2 is -8. And down 1. So I'm getting the point 0, -9. And last, I need to take 6, 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Multiply that x value by -1/2. 6 times -1/2 is -3. Go write 1. The y value here is 0, so when I multiply y by -2, I get 0 still, and down 1. So I get -2, -1. And there's that new graph. Notice when I compare it to the other one, it has been reflected over the y. It's been compressed horizontally. It's been reflected over the x and stretched vertically.